Hello, families, my awesome Mustang families. This is Mrs. Reyna here today to celebrate and share the celebrations with you guys on all of our students that scored in the area that we say green, which is at grade level at this time of year. Help me celebrate the following students. This is based on the iReady test, which is a diagnostic test that students take to see how they are currently performing. We'll start with recognizing the reading students in kindergarten. Alexa B, Ricardo B, Oscar C, Julian C, Kevin, Maximiliano, and Dylan. We also have Julian, Carter, Ryan, Alejandro, Matilda, Charlize, and Delilah. Help me celebrate these kiddos. Yay! In first grade, we have Kirsten Rose D. Let's celebrate her. In second grade reading, we have Brittany, Abigail, Alexander, Noah, Leland, Sophia, Emily, Aiden, and Navia. Help me celebrate these awesome second grade readers. In third grade, we have Christina, Aisha, Alexa, Alexander, Edgar, Matthew, Milani, Angel, Brooklyn, Jacob, Jonna, Scarlett, Tyler, Brianna, Elsa, Stephen, Callie, Nathan, Christian, Salvador, Isaiah, Kenrick, Elijah, and Michael. Help me celebrate this third graders that made it to green and iReady diagnostic. For the fourth grade reading diagnostic, we have Damaris, Andrea, Terrence, Kylie, Itzae, Adeline, Emmanuel, and Christian. Yay! Let's celebrate these fourth grade readers. In fifth grade for reading, we have Baraka, Joanna, Stephanie, Renzo, Joshua, Cassandra, Christian, Eric, Andy. Yay! Oh, we also have Ethan, Monique, Blake, Magnolia, Paulina, Hema, Nathan, and Oscar. Let's celebrate these fifth grade readers at this time of year. We also are going to recognize the students that are performing at grade level in the area of mathematics, according to the iReady diagnostic. Alexa, this is in kinder, Oscar, Julian, Theodore, Kushi, Alfredo, Julian, Angel, Ryan, Isabella, Matilda, and Charlize Wu. Give them a big round of applause. In first grade, our mathematicians are Amir, Kirsten Rose, and Genesis. Yay! In second grade math, we have Alexander, Noah, Leland, and Emily. Let's celebrate these mathematicians in second grade. Our third grade mathematicians are Jacob, Isaiah. Let's give them a big round of applause. Fourth grade, we are going to recognize Terrence, Kylie, Itzae, Adeline, Dylan, and Vanessa Jadine. Big round of applause for these fourth graders. Our fifth grade students that are scoring at grade level at this time of year are, in the area of math, Ivana, Emily, Joshua, Jose, David, Christian, Eric, Patricia May, Monique, Nathan, and Oscar V. Big round of applause, parents and families. These are students that work really hard over the summer. We want to recognize the students that during the summertime participated in our Moffitt Summer Bingo Masters Challenge. Kirsten D, Jose Gar, Jose, David, Diego, Desiree, Angel, Jesus, and Aiden. And we want to thank you parents for reminding your students to actively stay engaged in learning during the summer. So applause for all of you. The next group of students, these are students that also participated during the summer, and they scored at least a bingo by completing at least one line of bingo. So we have Alexander, Kayla Marie, Jason, David, Nathan, Diego, Noah, Elijah, Caleb, Sonia, Vanessa, Kristen, Paulina, Melanie, Marcela, Tyler, Brianna, Magaria, Sofia, Cesar, Leland, Itzae, Matilda, Dana, Oscar, and Carlos. All of these students received some type of prize, the previous group and this group today, just to acknowledge them for their participation. Now, we want you to know that today here at Moffitt, we celebrated Grandparents' Day. And we have something special for our grandparents from one of our kindergarten classrooms. Thank you, boys and girls, for participating in this. We're very proud of you. Now, this was our assembly we shared with our students today. And we want to share with you guys our Moffitt Mustang song. Parents, thank you so much for joining us to this celebration and congratulate your students. If your child did not make it to this green board celebration, know that we will have another opportunity after our next diagnostic in the winter. Encourage your students to continue to do their best, and we thank you all for your cooperation. and dedication to ensuring the best education for every student at our awesome Mustang family here at Moffitt.